I have submitted the copies of the pleadings the petitioners are relying on to make the case that on two fronts. One, that the process of making the budget was irregular and was done outside the law. And two, the contents of the budget are to some extent fraudulent. There's what we call budgeted corruption within that budget, which if removed, then Kenyans will not have to pay through the nose, the way we are being forced to pay. So that's why we took the trouble to produce the evidence, which runs to 2,365 pages, to show that the budget-making process in Kenya is totally unconstitutional. It violates the Public Finance Management Act. It violates the Public Finance Management Regulations 2015, and it violates many other laws that govern this country. We have also, within that, we have been able to isolate clear cases of budgeted corruption, whereby money is placed in the budget with no corresponding expenditure that benefits the public. So we hope that when we get to the bench, we'll have the chance, me and my co-petitioners, to demonstrate to Kenyans that we have got to the point whereby now we must do things according to the Constitution.